Hi there, I'm Kirsty and this is Emily. We're from Oz Hair and Beauty.
And today we are going to talk to you about caring for your skin with our new range, Oils of Heaven. Chris! Stop coming in! I'm trying to film! So today we are going to talk to you about how to choose which oil depending on your skincare concerns. So basically we have got in this section facial oils that target replenishing, moisturizing and repairing the skin. Here in this middle section, this is a personal favorite of mine. This is for radiance and glow, so if you really want that nice dewy look. And then finally, we have the facial oils. These target problematic skin concerns.
We also have the cute as little gift pack that incorporates a range of oils.
Good.
The best I've ever seen.
First up, we have our little favorite, the organic avocado oil, which is really beautiful on a dry, mature, dehydrated skin.
And also, I don't know about you guys, but I burn very easily. I've got very white British skin. This is really good on sunburn. Try it.
And it's cold pressed from the avocado pulp.
Avocado, peel the avocado. Okay, so next up we have the natural cacao oil. This is harvested in the Colombian jungle, which is so cool. It has a natural retinol in it, so it is perfect if you have skincare concerns with anti-aging.
I love using this one as an intense night treatment to help any fine lines and boosting that hydration.
Remember when you are using a retinol to always put SPF on. And we also have the organic Argan moisture retention. This was sourced in Morocco. This is amazing if you need to repair the skin, so especially if you have got scars and wrinkles.
Next up, we have the apricot oil, and it's an awesome substitute oil for those with nut allergies and sensitive skin. So these products are actually full in antioxidants and rich in
Antacids?
Yes.
So next up, we have the natural raspberry repairing face oil. This is amazing if you really want to get that lovely, dewy, radiance glow in your skin. It improves elasticity and it improves collagen in the skin. If you want that extra glow, just pop a little bit onto the back of the hand and press it onto the high points of the cheek.
We also have the Tamanu and the Rosehip oil, which is really beautiful on the skin for helping uneven skin tone, pigmentation, and giving that nice radiance boost, really lovely and glowy, and just looks and feels amazing on the skin.
Avocado.
Have you seen it? So this one here is the Moringa antioxidant oil, which is the mother of oils. It's actually harvested in the Himalayan tree of life. It's a natural exfoliant, which is so awesome. It feels amazing on the skin and does wonders.
It's also really good if you are somebody that has acne-prone skin or scarring. The oil increases cell turnover, it also plumps the skin, and it's full of antioxidants and is a great anti-inflammatory. Okay, so next up, we have the organic hemp balancing face oil. This is incredible. It has so many different healing properties. This is great if you've got acne-prone skin, if you're dehydrated. It also is oil balancing, so it's got lots of omega-3 and omega-6.
We also have the beautiful Marula replenishing oil, which is made from the African barrier tree. It's awesome for anyone with dermatitis, psoriasis, and any problematic skincare concerns.
You can also pop it in your hand cream actually. If you find that you've got any eczema or psoriasis on your hand cream, on your hands or on your body, you can pop it in there and mix it for those healing properties.
Definitely.
And don't forget guys, we have these beautiful little 5 milliliter bottles of oils. These are great for mix and matching, and also if you want to try a few out, then this is a perfect starter kit and also a great gift. Oils of Heaven is now available at ozhairandbeauty.com.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye guys!
Bye!